Our next signature event will be in Athlone, in the centre of the country. I was actually born in that town myself, lived in Moat for many years. My dad was a bank manager there. So we're going home to Athlone in September, and actually we're going to be looking at accelerating BIM adoption. Why not? Like, it's important, no? So it's important because we haven't really, I feel, Ireland has stalled in its BIM adoption. We developed a roadmap, the National BIM Council, through the great work of Enterprise Ireland, John Hunt, in producing a roadmap in 2017. Now, things happened in 2021. We all know about this, the pandemic, and it slowed things down. But the good thing about that, about the roadmap, was that it was implemented by the state within the Build Digital project. So in other words, there was a win from that, but we haven't really got up to speed with that. So in Athlone, we're going to hear about 3 key messages again. 1, motivation. Motivation from the context of, hearing about BIM benefits, articulating the benefits of BIM across the life cycle. Secondly, think of BIM as a value add and not a cost. It's going to add value to your business, and apply BIM as the first step in your digital journey, because other technologies will then flow with that. Second big message at the gathering will be collaboration. Liz, you talked about it so much today. As a message to governments as well, use integrated contracts. Redefine the risk return in procurement. Collaborate early. Set up your projects earlier amongst your stakeholders. Get your contractors involved early. Get your facility managers involved earlier. And adopt data sharing and standards. Because the more that we use, for example, ISO 19650, if we look back at that image of all those companies, if they're all using that standard in time, the flow of information will be better for everybody. And they won't have as much litigation or adversarial behaviour in construction. And thirdly, enablement. We need to skill our people, our students, our managers, our BIM managers, and our government across the full value chain. We need to change behaviour. We need to change workflows, processes, not just technology, and we need to make a long-term commitment to BIM and digitalisation and support construction SMEs. That's what it's all about. So, Athlone, September, we're just finalising the date. It looks like it's going to be a town centre hotel, the Radisson, SAS Radisson. Now, we're open for abstracts. So all you're going to do, log in, 50, 100 words, tell us what you'd like to speak about. There's 9 themes on the site, just pick one of the themes, and if you don't like any of the themes, you can just put in whatever you want to talk about. But we want to hear messages, motivation messages, collaboration messages, enablement messages, and we're going to invite people from Estonia and other countries to come and speak so they can explain what it is to do. So mark the diary, please come to Athlone, please come to the 8th of March event. We're here in March, April, May and June. We're taking a break for the summer, back in September, October and November. I hope you all come back on the 8th of March and bring another person with you. So the 30 become 60, the 60 become 120. And we get more and more members, more and more sponsors. There might be some sponsors here today as well. We need your support. Thank you so much. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I just got such energy from this. Isn't it great? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.